Hey pilots, I'm back. I know it's been a minute, a very long time. I think it's been about 2, 3 months since I put up a video last. I've been very busy between IBG, in the COD scene. I've been pretty busy, on the military side of things. I've just got back from a 1 month annual training on the National Guard side. And, yeah, but I'm back. I'm trying to make more videos soon. The first set coming up is the GM Cold Districts, and I'm going to be building probably the RX78-01 FSD next. It's because it's been a kit I've actually wanted to build for a minute now, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back on track. Um, I'm happy to finally be doing things in the gunpla scene again. So I hope you guys stick with me through all of this. I hope you guys start watching some of my videos again. As always, I like to thank Gundam Shoppers Network for definitely being patient with me and accommodating. Even though I let them know that I was going away on military leave, they said no problem. It's all good. Just make content and do stuff when you can. Make sure you guys pay attention to the Instagram feed. I'm going to be having a lot of in-process shots and a lot of more of creative photoshopping in the future. That'll be both for thumbnails and just for Instagram, trying to get some practice. I did get a new camera, but I need to figure out how to set it up and the best settings to use for it. So it might be a minute until I have a video made with the new camera setup. But I'll see where it goes from here. But I appreciate you guys still coming by, swinging by the hangar, seeing what we got going on. And stay tuned because we got a lot of really good content coming out, especially Gunpla content. I'm probably strictly going to be doing Gunpla content from here on out. I might do the occasional game here and there, but I'm really passionate about Gunpla, and it's kind of pulling me away from gaming, and I don't want to just game for the sake of content. I want to provide you guys content that I'm actually passionate about, and this is that. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for coming by, and as always, sortie out, hobby on.